God never said that marijuana or cannabis is haram, and we've made it very clear in the Goal of the Wise and also on an episode on the channel that cannabis is halal.
So this Imam Mahdi from TV, who also declares himself to be the Pope, has said that just because Allah hasn't explicitly mentioned a certain type of drug as being haram, then that makes it halal. Which is crazy because 1400 years ago, during the time of the Prophet peace be upon him, there would have been things that haven't come into existence yet that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala didn't mention by name. For example, strip clubs. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala didn't mention strip clubs in the Quran. Does that mean now that strip clubs are halal? And this is how the concept of qiyas works, where if there's something that exists now, but it didn't exist during the time of the Prophet that isn't mentioned in the Quran, the scholars would compare it to similar things, such as alcohol. And they will say that because alcohol intoxicates and cannabis intoxicates, they both pretty much do the same thing, therefore they're both haram. Aside from that, I mean, where's the evidence that this guy is even Imam Mahdi anyway?
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Yeah, I just want to make a reply to this guy who says that marijuana is haram because Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wa sallam declared so. So yeah, look, first you got to look into is the book of Genesis in the Bible. It is basically that God, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, gives all the plants on this earth, it gives to Adam to use. So regarding that, I don't see if it's something that was given to Adam and to the sons of Adam would be haram to Muhammad and the ashabs of Prophet Muhammad. And of course, you can look in the hadith. For example, you have in Sunnah Abu Dawud basically declared that wine is made from what is wine made? That is made from basically from honey, that is made from barley, that is made from wheat, and from different things. And as such, it was used for as such. You have later hadith which you can also look up that there is some guy who was ashab of Prophet Muhammad. He said that wine was made basically is haram and it was made by Abyssinians. So also got this sort of hadith, but if you look into it, I mean in the history, you would see that basically in the pre-Jahiliyyah period, everybody was, or even in the time of Prophet Muhammad, they were drinking the alcohol, and later Prophet Muhammad forbade it. So Prophet Muhammad was halal and haram, and as he declared that it is halal, so after everybody got drunk and come to the prayers drunk, he forbade the alcohol. And regarding marijuana, I would just add you to the beautiful hadith from Sahih Muslim about how Aisha brought Ashisha and what follows afterwards. So yeah, if you want to speak against the hadith in your own books, please be my guest. Good luck with that. And yeah, what you were saying, is it is contradictory to what is in your own books. So yeah, looking forward to answering my points and around.